For this, you really can use a 260 and it's actually easier, but I'm going to use a 350 because it's easier to see. For the bouncy ball, you don't have to blow it up all the way. You can just do a little bit. But the key is to make a bubble that's slightly smaller than the diameter of the rest of the balloon. And once you twist it, you're going to have all your fingers, we're going to soften it first, have all your fingers push in. And as they all start to push into the balloon, you're going to like walk them out so you have one finger on the inside. Then you grab it from the outside. You can squeeze all the air out, twist, and do it again. And again and again and again. Or you can just take it and roll it actually. But then once you get to the edge, you're going to twist, push in one more time, and you can choose to pop the rest of the balloon, or you can reach on the outside, make a hook around the ball, and pull it. Letting this out slowly so you don't make a loud boom, and you get a nice little bouncy ball. Boing!
Alright, neat.